Hey, if you've got a passion for the outdoors and you want to turn your passion into a side hustle or maybe even a full-time moneymaker, well, stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks on how to get started to start making money in the outdoors industry. For fishing tips and tricks and for tips on how to make money in the outdoor niche using social media, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays. Over the last couple of years, we've built our audience to almost 100,000 people with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and our email list. And we send that audience valuable content several times a week and then also send offers to them as well. And that's how we monetize our audience as well. But you have to build that audience first in order to do that. So let's start with social media, be it Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, maybe even Twitter, TikTok. Not sure about that one yet, but at least the big three: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. All three of these together create what we call this vortex of traffic to your offers and to your landing pages. So if you have Amazon affiliate links, let's just say, every one of the posts that you have on Facebook and Instagram would have some sort of a link to it, or you're at least talking about it. And then YouTube would have, in the description, would have those links as well. Now, when you think of Facebook, you probably think, I don't need to worry about that. Well, to the contrary, you still do. Facebook is still tremendously viable, not only to build audiences, to share photos, post photographs, things like that, but what people don't see is the back-end ads manager within Facebook. It is arguably the most sophisticated advertising platform on the planet. And that's not an exaggeration. People will say Google is as well, and I think that's probably true, but I frankly think that you can do a lot more with Facebook in terms of audiences and promotion than you can with any other system out there. But that's for down the road. But you need to know why Facebook is important. And it is important because of that back-end ads manager. And here's the hot tip. Don't ever hit that blue boost post button. It's just like you're giving a crisp 20 to Mark Zuckerberg and you're never going to see it again. Always promote posts and do all your advertising from the back-end Facebook ads manager. Gives you so much more control over what you're doing. Now, in terms of Instagram, another really good platform, but guess who owns it? Facebook. And what did I just say? Facebook is relevant. You control any promotion on Instagram from the back end of the Facebook ads manager as well. Facebook and Instagram. So that's why Facebook is so important. The thing that's different from an ad perspective with Instagram, one, it has a different ratio, different size, which isn't really that big of a deal. But the stories only last for 24 hours, and you all know that. And the feed you get pushed down in the feed, and unless somebody's scrolling through it, they're really not going to see it. But it still is important. Now, the thing about Instagram, if you do not have the 10,000 followers, you don't have that swipe up feature. And so you have to say, if you're promoting something, let's say you're working with a company and Sims waiters or something like that, and you're doing a promotion, you have to say link in bio as opposed to swipe up. And link in bio is just a couple extra clicks for people. And if you can reduce the number of clicks, you're going to have better results. So to get that Instagram swipe up feature, you need to get that 10,000 follower level. So you should really work hard to get there. It's not the end of the world, but the swipe up is so much better to be able to go right to a website or a page or promotion or something, as opposed to having to go hit a link in the bio. And that's kind of what's quirky about Instagram. Now let's move to YouTube. And the importance of YouTube is that it is a giant search engine, the number 2 search engine in the world, owned by the number 1 search engine in the world, and that's Google. And what YouTube can do for you is create an evergreen flow of traffic to your website, to your landing page, to your affiliate links, whatever offer you have. And it can help you promote your other posts on other social channels. And so with YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, these three things work hand in hand to create what I said earlier, the vortex of traffic to your offers. And in 2020, it's not too late to start a YouTube channel. And watch this video on how to set up a YouTube channel properly if you don't have a channel yet, even though we assume you do for the purposes of this video. And watch this video to give yourself the best chance of ranking high in search on YouTube. And now let's talk about a very, very important step, and that is building a list. If you don't have a list, you have nothing. That sounds a little harsh, but it's the truth. Because do you own Facebook? No. Do you own YouTube? No. Do you own Instagram? No. Mark Zuckerberg owns that too. So anytime any of these platforms change anything about their algorithm, it changes everything for you, and you have no control over that. But if you have a list and you can email that list valuable content, remember that word, if you can email that list, you own that. And no matter what happens to all these other platforms, you own that list and you can communicate with that list. The list is actually the asset in your online business, not anything else, not the followers, not the Facebook page. It's the list. And there's a system out there called MailChimp that's a free way to build landing pages to capture those email addresses and also to be able to email out to that list. It's MailChimp.com, I believe, and it's free for up to 2,000 email addresses. So you can get started on the cheap right away with MailChimp. Now the other thing that you'll need is a way to build these pages, a way to do some artwork. And there's a system called Canva, C-A-N-V-A, canva.com, which is fantastic for building artwork, for building any type of Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube banners, brochures, lead magnets, which you're going to need as well. So I would use canva.com, and that's also free. There's a different level of it, but for when you're just getting started, you can use the free account on canva.com, and it's beautiful. It's basically all you need when you're just getting started. Now for domain names, we use GoDaddy.com. It's the easiest system out there. Domain names depends upon the name, but basic names, $8, $9, $12 a year, depends upon the name. But we use GoDaddy.com because it's just user friendly, and you can also get email addresses attached to that domain from GoDaddy.com. And to get started to monetize your site, we recommend the easiest way to do that is to set up an Amazon affiliate account. And then when you're posting your videos, if you're reviewing a piece of camping gear or a kayak or hiking or whatever it is, then have the link in the description down below to your Amazon affiliate product. And every time that product is bought, then you get a percentage of the sale. You get paid on it. So that's one way to get paid, and that's the easiest way to start with the Amazon affiliate links. And a lot of people want a YouTube channel just to get monetized on YouTube and make money on YouTube. And the trouble is that's really, really hard to do unless you have a lot of followers. You've got to grow that channel quite a bit. But a lot of big channels don't even rely on their YouTube income. They have other offers, whether they're courses or how-tos or something like that, that's where they're making their money. The YouTube AdSense income, though it can be significant for big channels, it's very inconsistent. You never really know whether a video is going to pay you a lot or very little. You just never really know, so it's inconsistent. That's why we say Amazon affiliate links is the best way to get started making money online in the outdoors business. So to review, build your audience on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social platforms, and have them all connected together so that you can build an email list, which is your asset. You own that. Then create a MailChimp account. You can build landing pages inside of MailChimp to promote your offers, and it'll house your email addresses so you can send emails out to your audience through MailChimp. And in the description down below is our free guide with all of these tips to start making money in the outdoors industry. Hit the link below and make sure you download our free guide to making money in the outdoor industry. You know, we live in an amazing time. There has never been a better time to start an online business as a side hustle and do it very, very cheaply. The online world is still growing very, very rapidly. It's not too late. Take advantage of all the tools that we have out there, and you too can build a side hustle in the outdoors industry. Hey, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you know somebody else who can get some value out of this, share it with them. That'd be great. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when we post new videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.